here in the Arizona desert, we don't get a whole lot of rain. So when we do, it's kind of interesting. It's supposed to rain today. There's a lot of cloud buildup. So I'm heading out to try to get in the middle of it. It's kind of looking like all the clouds are blowing further that way, and there's still some potential that some of these ones coming in will build up and turn into something fun, but it's looking rather sunny, so my rainy day plans might be not as rainy as I was hoping. Cat's claw, worst plant ever. If you're not careful, they'll snag your soul. It's true. So I was sitting right here eating my lunch, and I saw this cave up here. I don't think it's very deep, but it's deep enough for a shelter, and it inspired me. I think on one of my future operations, I'm going to come back here and maybe set up camp up in there and explore this place a little further. Should be cool. So I'm going to try this thing out. I don't use it very much. It's kind of nice. It packs down. You can keep these fuel tablets in there. Nice and lightweight. Nice to have along when you're not planning on cooking a whole lot, and when your cooking only involves heating up some water. I was just going to use it. I picked a little of this. I'm going to make some desert tea. So overall, I made the tea, but it didn't bring it to a boil, so I didn't get as much of a brew as I was hoping. Using those chemical tabs wasn't really my favorite thing. I think in order to actually get it to a boil, I would have needed to use at least 1.5 tablets. I mean, I wasn't being super efficient. That pot I used wasn't very efficient. So yeah, the pot wasn't the most efficient I could have been using, and I also didn't build that windscreen in time. Didn't realize the wind was affecting those little tabs that much. Thought they burned better. And then also having a lid would have been good. Now I gotta cruise back because my daughter's got tumbling class. Can't miss out on tumbling. Alright, so I got back to the car. I had to run up that hill. It's not real far down to where I was from where I parked, but it's uphill, scrambling rocks, not really anything on a trail. So it takes a little bit of effort and a little bit of time. So I ran up there quick as I could. I'm in the car now, obviously, and I'm gonna do the best as I can to make it to Tumbling Glass. So this is the real adventure of the day. Supporting my kids. That's the true awesomeness. But I might be a little bit late, so I sort of failed. But they'll still get to tumbling. My wife's taking them, but I just wanted to be able to be there, support them, because they're awesome kids. So adventure continues as I race down these mountain winding hills, winding mountain hills, and hope no one's trying to do some sightseeing and slow me down.